Polaris has been supporting side-by-side racing from the beginning, starting with the first RZR and continuing on with the Pro R and Turbo R over the past year. Racing is integral to everything we do. RZR is a performance brand. Polaris is a performance company going back from the first days with snowmobiles. We couldn't be more excited to up our game with this new factory effort.
So this new program is really a step up for Polaris. Before, we've worked with a lot of awesome racers and teams, but now we're taking it to the next level. We're working in-house to provide them the engineering support, the background, and the products they need to go and win races and show how superior our components can be.
Yeah, so when we launched the Pro R, that was pretty much the moment we all realized that, hey, this is the time we should be looking at doing something from the race world, really looking at the clean sheet of paper, going back to what makes sense to do here. So it's really, starting from the ground up, building, designing race cars within the walls of Polaris here, that's unheard of. We've never done that.
Our engineers, our folks that develop these high-performance vehicles want us to win and want to put their time in to help us go win. And we couldn't be more excited to see their efforts come to life in the form of this new race vehicle.
I mean, we're investing money in it, right? And we found value in that. We understand that it's not just, again, a 9-to-5, a job. It's people with passion that go out there and do this type of thing. So let's see what happens. Polaris is all in.
Our end goal is two things. First of all, the Polaris race team is to win. Our target is to get Polarises on the podium. The second thing is we're able to use this to feed into our products. We're able to collect different life cycles, different learnings, and that can be spread across our components to help develop the next RZR with this information.
So racing helps us develop higher performance vehicles, higher durability vehicles. And that's going to elevate the game of everyone in the industry and improve the products we offer to the customer every day. Side-by-sides have evolved so much in such a short period of time, and we're going to continue to push that evolution, and racing is going to help us do that.